Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Little Big Planet 2 on PC Easy Method. Open the installer and follow on-screen prompts to extract files into a clean folder. Then place patch files where indicated, run the compatibility tool, and grant administrator permissions when requested to finalize installation and avoid permission errors during launch. Start by running the main setup with administrator rights to prevent permission roadblocks. Then apply the specific compatibility patch included in your download package and place any additional DLC or community levels into the game folder. After that, run the diagnostic tool to confirm files are intact, adjust in-game graphics to match your hardware, and launch the game from the patched executable for the best chance of a smooth first run. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy tutorials and updates. Quick recommendation: I love these leak-proof containers for game day snacks. They make meal prep easy and keep food tidy between sessions, and they pair well with long playtimes. Check the description for the link and any special deals I mentioned, then grab a snack, and now let's get back to the video. If you hit problems, check drivers and DirectX versions first because many errors stem from outdated system components. Next, rerun the compatibility and administrator steps to correct common launch crashes. Finally, look for community guides matching your exact error code, copy log details into searches, and try alternative launcher options if the primary exe fails, keeping backups of any modified files so you can revert changes quickly and safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.